Let's go, guys. Now we're gonna start tuning A number 3. We're gonna finish this tuning and make the first heating treatment. So I put the templates here. So almost there, but it's not in tune. I put our target here, octave here, fifth. Okay, we are looking for 220 Hertz, our fundamental note. Our octave will be A number 4. Our 50 will be E number 5. Okay, so let's go. I will put here our octave is 440 Hertz, and our 50 will be 659 Hertz. So let's start it. First thing, let's check where we are. You can check, we are very close. We need to create stability. Okay, our 50, it's high. Our octave, it's high. Our fundamental, it's high. Just to remember, our octave, fifth, so I will take pressure from the fundamental and the octave. First the octave. And our fundamental go down very fast. A little bit more. Take a little bit more from the octave. Okay, let's hit here. Octave almost there. Our 50 a little bit high. Okay, our fundamental is too high. Our 50 a little bit high. Our octave high. Our fundamental high. Now what are we gonna do? This will be the first tuning. So after this tuning, we're gonna put fire. So let's prepare this note to the fire. What happened when I put fire?
Handpan tuning was a mystery until now. For years, nobody shared real information, and maybe you felt the same doubts. I'm not capable, I will break the instrument, I will waste money, I will want to recognize the sounds, where do I even get the right materials from? Nobody taught this in a systematic way until I created the first complete online class, which offers the own sound sculpture hands-on system to teach you how to tune handpans and also make a profitable business. Let's talk about the 5 essential steps to tuning a handpan in a step-by-step, safe, clear and doable way. It's about knowledge, access to premium quality shells and materials, a clear mindset, support and community. Click the button and access the free training. It's time to break those limits and finally start tuning.